Here at Out and About we have followed the locals' tips and have escaped the heat, at least for a few days, by traveling into this mountain and plantation region in South India, the Western Ghats. So for the next couple of days we're gonna stay here at the Rainforest Retreat. Rainforest Retreat is this ecotourism project where they have huts for travelers like us. We're gonna show you that in a moment. But besides from that, they also have some plantations with like coffee and cardamom, vanilla and pepper. Our hut is placed in the middle of their coffee plantation, and if you look around me you can see this white flowers blossoming. It's the coffee beans, or it's what is going to be coffee beans, and it smells wonderful. If you are here you can smell like this sweet odor that's gonna reach our hut as well, and it's lovely escaping the atmosphere from the cities here in India. So in combination with this wonderful smell and the fresh air and the silence, at least from all the cars and the rickshaws, these next couple of days are looking really promising. I think we're gonna need that. Relax and just enjoy this mountain region, which is not as hot as the rest of India. That's something we like here in Out and About once in a while. Nice and rustic. Can you really feel it's a plantation hut. And I love the detail here with the picture with the coffee plant. Now we're in the middle of the coffee plantation. And a nice detail that you can, directly from your bed, you can see the stars at night. Cool. And we might even try a once in a lifetime experience. Bucket shower, that's something we haven't tried before. Huh, cool. We can study all the monkeys around here. So this is how a coffee looks on a coffee tree. You can eat the skin, and then inside you get the beans that we use to the coffee beans. These are quite white, and that's because you have to roast them and go through a long process before we get the coffee that we can drink. Now let's go see the surroundings. Come on. At this retreat they have made nature work with and for them. They use solar panels, biogases, which are natural gases they use for their cooking, and whenever it's possible they use their own crops in their meals. What they can't grow themselves, they buy from eco-farmers at the local market every Friday. So for the last couple of days we have enjoyed this plantage life in South India. At Rainforest Retreat we have seen pepper picking. We have been so unbelievable lucky to see and smell the coffee flowers blossom, which we do approximately 1 day a year. We have also hiked into the Western Ghats mountains, and we have done grocery shopping at the local farmers market in Madikeri. So this is the place to go if you want to relax, escape the heat for a few days, but also if you want to try a more sustainable way of tourism. With the increasing number of tourists in India and all around the world, it's been a pleasure here at Out and About to show you an example of a place who's really fighting to make tourism more sustainable. So we give our thumbs up and best of luck to Rainforest Retreat with their ecotourism project. And here at Out and About we're feeling a bit sad that we have to leave this small jungle and plantation paradise after these very interesting days.